Welcome to Channel Iron Speed. On this occasion, we will discuss about J-32 versus F-35 fighter jets. J-31. Fighter jet, China's future stealth fighter. The J-31 fighter jet, also known as the FC-31 Gyrfalcon, is a fifth-generation stealth fighter developed by Shenyang Aircraft Corporation in China. It is designed to compete with other advanced fighter jets, such as the United States, F-35 Lightning II, and Russia's Su-57. As part of China's air and navy modernization efforts, the J-31 boasts stealth, high maneuverability, and advanced avionics systems that make it a strategic asset in modern air warfare. History and development. Development of the J-31 began in the early 2010s as the second fifth-generation fighter project developed by China after the Chengdu J-20. The first prototype J-31 made its maiden flight on October 31, 2012. The project was originally conceived as an attempt by China's aerospace industry to create a stealth fighter that could be sold to export markets, but later evolved into a potential program for domestic use. The J-31 underwent several design revisions as it progressed. Early versions showed similarities to the F-35, especially in aerodynamic shape and air intake design. However, the latest variant featured in the 2022 Zhuhai Air Show showed significant improvements in the design of the wings, cockpit canopy, and propulsion system, reinforcing its stealth and aerodynamic characteristics. Stealth design and characteristics. The J-31 adopted a design that prioritized stealth features with a body shape that reduced radar reflections, the use of composite materials to absorb radar waves, and a divertless air inlet design similar to the F-35. The aircraft has a twin-engine configuration that makes it more flexible in combat missions compared to the F-35, which uses only one engine. The dimensions of the J-31 are expected to be smaller compared to the J-20, making it more suitable for operations on aircraft carriers. Therefore, some analysts predict that this aircraft will be used by the Chinese Navy as a carrier-based fighter, accompanying or replacing the currently operational Shenyang J-15. Performance in avionics. The J-31 is estimated to have a maximum speed of around Mach 1.8, with a combat range wide enough to support modern air combat operations. The aircraft is equipped with advanced sensors, including an AESA, active electronically scanned array, radar, which provides superior detection and tracking capabilities against both air and ground targets. The J-31 avionics system is designed to support network-centric warfare, enabling communication and data sharing with other warplanes, warships, and ground command centers. It is a key element in modern warfare, where information superiority is the dominant factor in combat. Armament. The J-31 has two internal weapon bays inside the fuselage to carry medium-range air-to-air missiles and other weapons without sacrificing stealth characteristics. In addition, the aircraft has external points on its wings to carry additional weaponry if the mission is not too stealth. Weapons that can be carried include PL-15 and PL-10 air-to-air missiles, air-to-ground missiles such as the YJ-83, K laser-guided smart bombs and satellites. With this configuration, the J-31 can play a role in a variety of mission types, including air superiority, ground attack, and maritime operations. Operational and future potential. The J-31 is likely to be an important element in the modernization of China's air power. There is speculation that the carrier variant of the J-31 will join the Chinese Navy's fleet to replace the J-15, which is considered less than ideal as a next-generation carrier fighter. In addition, China is also trying to offer the J-31 to export markets as a cheaper alternative to the F-35. Countries that do not have access to U.S.-made fifth-generation fighter jets could be interested in buying the J-31 as an advanced solution at a more competitive price. Conclusion. The J-31 is a major step in China's aerospace industry, signaling that the country is getting closer to independence in the development of advanced combat aircraft. With its stealth capabilities, modern avionics, and flexibility in a variety of missions, the J-31 is projected to play a key role in China's military strategy, both on land and at sea. Looking ahead, how the J-31 compares to other fifth-generation fighter jets such as the F-35 and Su-57 will largely depend on improved technology and operational strategies implemented by China. F-35 Lightning II, the stealth fighter of the future. The F-35 Lightning II is a fifth-generation fighter designed to provide air superiority, ground attack, as well as reconnaissance and electronic warfare capabilities. Developed by Lockheed Martin in the Joint Strike Fighter (JSF) program, the F-35 became one of the most advanced and expensive fighter jets in the history of military aviation. With stealth technology, advanced sensors, and multi-role capabilities, the F-35 is designed to dominate the modern battlefield. History and development. Development of the F-35 began in the 1990s as part of the Joint Strike Fighter program, aimed at replacing a variety of older fighter jets used by the United States and its allies. Lockheed Martin wins major contract and begins development of three main variants of the F-35: one, F-35A conventional version for the Air Force, two F-35B vertical takeoff and landing STOVL version for the Marine Corps, third F-35C reinforced version for operations on aircraft carriers of the Navy. The aircraft first flew in 2006 and entered operational use in 2015. Stealth and aerodynamic design. One of the main advantages of the F-35 is its stealth design, which allows the aircraft to avoid detection by enemy radars. This technology is supported by radar-absorbing fuselage shape. The F-35's aerodynamic shape reduces its radar cross-section, making it difficult to detect by enemy air defense systems. Radar-absorbent material, ERAM. The surface of the F-35 is coated with a special material that absorbs radar waves, further enhancing its ability to remain hidden. Reduction of trace heat, infrared signature. The F-35's engines are designed to reduce the heat generated, making them more difficult to track by enemy missile heat-seeking systems. Advanced avionics and sensor technology. The F-35 is equipped with a state-of-the-art avionics system that gives pilots exceptional situational awareness. Some of its leading technologies include Helmet-Mounted Display System, HMDS. The helmet of the F-35 pilot serves not only as protection, but also as the main display screen. All flight target and sensor information is displayed directly inside the helmet visor. This helmet also allows the pilot to see through the fuselage with the help of a 360-degree camera built into the entire fuselage. Distributed Aperture System, DAS. This advanced sensor system allows the F-35 to detect threats around it, including enemy missiles, even before they are detected by regular radar. An APG-81 AESA active electronically scanned array radar. The radar is capable of detecting and tracking targets in the air and on the ground with high precision, giving it an edge in both air-to-air and air-to-ground combat. Electronic Warfare System. The F-35 is not only capable of attack, but could also play a role in electronic warfare, such as disrupting enemy radars and their communication systems. Armament and combat capability. The F-35 is designed to perform a variety of missions, including air-to-air combat, ground attack, and reconnaissance missions. For this, the aircraft is equipped with a variety of modern weapons. 1. Internal armament. To maintain its stealth features, the F-35 carries weapons inside internal compartments. It includes air-to-air missiles such as AIM-120, AMRAAM, and AIM-9X Sidewinder. Smart bombs such as GBU-12, Paveway-2, and JDAM for precision strikes against ground targets. 2. External armament. If stealth features are not required in a particular mission, the F-35 can carry more weapons on its wings, including long-range missiles and large bombs. 3. Internal cannon. The F-35A is equipped with a GAU-22/A25mm cannon that can be used for close air combat and ground attacks. Operational excellence and role on the battlefield. The F-35 is designed as a multi-role aircraft, meaning it can carry out multiple missions on a single platform. Some of his roles include air superiority with stealth technology and advanced radar. The F-35 can detect and attack enemies before they are aware of their presence. Precision ground attack. The F-35 can strike ground targets with high accuracy, including bunkers, armored vehicles, and strategic facilities. Electronic warfare and surveillance. The F-35's advanced sensors allow the aircraft to act as eyes and ears for Allied forces, detecting threats and transmitting intelligence in real time. Aircraft carrier operations. The F-35C variant is specifically designed to operate from aircraft carriers, expanding the scope of U.S. Navy operations around the world. Challenges and criticisms. Despite its advanced technology, the F-35 program also faces various challenges and criticisms, including very expensive development costs. With a total development and production cost of more than $1.7 trillion, the F-35 is one of the most expensive military projects in history.